How to share location on Viber. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can send location on Viber. For that, launch your Viber application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you reach to this page, here from the list, find the person to whom you want to send your location. Once you find it, tap on the profile to reach their chat page. And once you reach to the chat page, here at the bottom left, you will find plus button. Click on that plus button to access more menu, and this window will pop up at the bottom where you will find location option. Click on that location option and here make sure you have turned on your location. Click on continue and turn on the device location. Once you turn it on, now come back to the page and Viber will locate your current location on this map. Once you are satisfied with the location, you can click on this arrow button right here or click on this send location button. Once you do so, your location will be shared to this person. Now this person can know your current location. In this way you can share location on Viber. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.